Hello everyone, welcome to lesson number 9. We are still looking at factorizing. In this lesson we are going to look at how to factorize the difference between two squares. Now the difference between two squares, this is your clue. There must be a difference or a subtraction sign, okay? And then the first number must be a square number and the second number should also be a square number, and this will give you two brackets with the same information, almost the same information, sorry, but the difference is just a positive and a negative. So it doesn't matter where you put the negative or the positive, for as long as the signs are different. Okay, so the first number must be a square number, the second number must be a square number, and there should be a minus sign between them. So that's why they are called a difference between two squares. Okay, so you need to remember this formula, that is just two brackets, a and b minus a and b plus. Now let us look at these three questions here. We want to factorize x squared minus 16. So this is a square number, all right, and this is 16 is also a square number. So the answer of that, if you can just allow me to put, come on, insert, come on, why are you doing this? Let me pin you. Insert an equation. Okay, we open up brackets, two brackets. What is the square root of x squared? The square root of x squared is just x, and the square root of 16 is 4. We do the same thing here. X minus 4, and that's the answer. Okay, so square root of x squared is x, square root of 16 is 4, and voila, that's it. Now here we just do the same thing. We just open up the two brackets. If you can allow me to copy this, allow me to copy this so that I don't have to type it. Okay, so 4 is a square number, a squared is a square number, 25 is a square number, and b squared is a square number. So here, this term has the 4 and the a squared. Unlike here, this was just an x squared. So, but here we are going to say now the square root of 4 is 2, the square root of a squared is a, and then the square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of b squared is b, and then we just change it here with the minus sign, 2a, and that's 5b. Voila, it is that simple. Okay, now here 3 is not a square number. X exponent 3 is not even a square number. 75 is not a square number. So x is not even a square number. So what do? We need to factorize out the common factor first, and that common factor is 3x. So we must first remove out the common factor, and that common factor is 3x. So it's the only way we can have the square numbers. Let's see. So if we take out 3x, so open the bracket, 3x outside here, so we divide 3x cubed divided by 3x, we get x squared, so that's a square number. 75 divided by 3, 75 divided by 3 will give us 25, and then the x will cancel out. Now we have the difference between two squares inside the brackets, and then meaning that our next step, we are going to have something like this. Please allow me to copy this again. Come on, allow me to copy this again. Copy this, and okay, just open up two more brackets, and then square root of x squared is x, square root of 25 is 5. We do the same thing here, but this time around with the plus, and that's the answer, and that's it. So all you need to remember is this formula. So a squared minus b squared is equal to 2 brackets. It's almost the same information, the difference is just the positive and the negative. So then sometimes you get something like this, but as you can see, 3 is not a square number, x cubed is not a square number, 75 is not a square number, and x is not a square number. But what you need to do, identify the common factor, so that if you take it out, you end up with the difference between two squares. Okay, all right my friends, thank you for watching. In the next video we are going to look at how to factorize quadratic trinomials, probably our last video on factorizing. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.